So I want to go over some of the controls on this box now. We've got a little display here. This displays, of course, the version of the software this machine is running, the round count, and the speed. It'll tell you right when you're running the round count and speed. This button is the first button you hit when it's in the down position to enable the drive and make the machine go home and figure out its home position. This button right here, this green one, starts the automatic mode, which starts the machine reciprocating. This button is a reset button that actually resets the controller. You'll see the light go out and the little LED or LCD will flash. That's an emergency stop. We also have this emergency stop here that allows you to do. It's handheld, a little e-stop. If you hit it, it does the same thing with the controller. These little lights, the C means controller, D means drive. When we enable this drive, you'll see it goes up, does this thing. Now the green light's on. This green light says that the drive is ready to go. The power may be on to it, but until this green light is lit, it is not ready to go into auto. This little dial right here actually controls, this dial controls the speed. It's graduated. This thing will go, well, I'll just show you. You'll see how slow it's going. And we use this lowest setting for running some big rifle rounds where you need a lot of power. The slower the drive, slower the motor goes, the more power it has, the more torque it has. You see it's going 419 rounds per hour. Now, you can change this at runtime. We'll just roll this all the way up around. Now you'll notice that that round count goes up. It recalculates that at the end of every stroke. It's showing 1,535 rounds per hour is what it's running at right now. Of course, you know that you're going to have to stop whenever it runs out of primers. When it does run out of primers, you'll notice I pushed the little primer set down there. You notice the machine stops. It tells you it's out of primers, how many rounds that you've run. All you got to do is fill the primers back up, pull that back to the bound, hit the home, and then get to going again. It starts counting where you left off. Now, if you hit the reset on this, it'll reset the whole system, and it goes back to just like you first started it up. Like all you got to do to get it going again is pull it to the down, hit the auto, or hit the home button, and hit the auto. I mean, you can get going after a malfunction pretty quick. This machine's not ready to go. This is going to our friends over at BC Arms. They're a brass processor. They bought this machine from us. They're going to process their brass with it. If you want some brass for reloading, look them up. It's bc-arms.com. They got great prices. They really good prices on processed and polished brass. We're using some of their brass for our ammunition. So anyway, if you're looking for some brass, go look them up. You like this video, like it, subscribe, tell your friends. Shop Cat, she's watching out for her stuff, so she wants to make some ammo. See y'all later.